In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or folders at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, and to select multiple right away, use those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Select All. Now to keep some of those photos, you need to tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Then hit Allow and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!